Hi, Liana. We got some presents from Grandma.
Look, let's see what's in here.
Lena, you better pet him. Ooh, some clothes.
Shirt. Nice clothes.
Harley, go lay down. Lena, hold him, or we're gonna have whining in the whole movie.
Just jumped out of my arms.
Hold him.
Look at all
Hold
that
him,
stuff.
please.
Harley, come here. Look at that. Look, you got candy. Wow. It's Harley. What else did you get? Look at that. Candy.
Say
Got
thank you,
gummies.
Grandma.
Gummies.
Gummies. What's that? Can you show it to me? Oh, balloons.
Look at there's balloons.
Them are balloons in there.
Balloon helicopter.
Wow. Look
What
at
else is in
that.
here?
More candy?
Wow. Let's see what else is in here. You got more presents.
Ooh.
Open it. What's in there?
Candy.
Wow, look at all that candy. Look at those suckers. We'll have to open that later after dinner.
There's
What else
more.
is in there? What is that? What is that? Let me see. How does that work? Oh,
Wow.
it's a brush. Let's brush your hair. Want to close it? There you go. Good girl.
You hurt your finger?
Oh, we'll just have to be careful with it.
Okay, is there more in a box?
More
Another
presents?
present?
What else is in there? What is there?
Wow.
Ooh.
It's a chocolate fish.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Bites, beef jerky, and it's a chocolate
Okay.
fish.
Can you look at me? Liana, can you say thank you, Grandma?
Look, there's more.
There's more.
Andy, what's that? One more.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what is that? You got
Harley, go
Valentine
now.
cards and stickers. Do we missed it? Can I pass them out today?
Liana, look at me. Hey, can you say thank you, Grandma? Liana.
Look here. Say thank you, Grandma. Can you say thank you? Thank you, Grandma.
Liana.
Here, let me show you.
Hey, look at me.
This goes on here. And then it's a garbage.
Can you say thank you, Grandma? Say bye. Bye.
Goodbye, Grandma.